Hello guys, and once again welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K. In this video we discuss about Java and JavaScript. You must heard about Java and JavaScript. You must have thought like, is Java and JavaScript is related to each other? I am answering this question in this video. If anyone asks you question, what is difference between Java and JavaScript? Then tell them this particular story, because very few people actually know this. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, the most important language in the entire world right now, the most in demand and the most used, the most important language in the entire world right now is JavaScript. Similar to that guys, now many of you guys have heard about Java. Okay, many of you guys must have heard about this term Java, right guys? Have you guys heard about Java language? Some are says yes, I have heard about Java, and some are says I'm not heard about Java. So not to worry, Java, just like a JavaScript, is a language itself. You must heard about this Java language as well. Okay, somewhere very closely, like somewhere you have heard in the back of the head itself Java, and you must have thought like, is Java and JavaScript related to each other? Java and JavaScript are as similar to each other as your apple and pineapple and car and carpet. Apple and pineapple both are fruits. Just like Java and JavaScript both are the programming languages. But apple and pineapple are not related to each other, except that they have a common spelling, APPLE. That's the same for Java and JavaScript. So guys, Java and JavaScript not at all related to each other guys. They're not at all related to each other. So where did this term JavaScript came from? So Netscape in its early days approached a particular person called Brendan Eich. Okay, Brendan Eich was one of the top programmers back in 1990s. One of the best programmers in the entire world. So they approached Brendan Eich and can say that we need to make our website more dynamic in the nature. There should be animations on our websites. It should be able to interact with users, should be able to interact with them in our website itself. Make a programming language that is able to do so, that is light enough, that is so that it is able to run on the browsers itself without utilizing a lot of computational resources. So Brendan Eich created the programming language that we know as JavaScript. In just 10 days, he created the entire programming language in just 10 days guys. He was great man. He was the next level itself. So what happened was, initially they named it something different. Okay, they named it as LiveScript. That was the original name of the JavaScript guys. What happened? Nobody was using it. Nobody knew about the LiveScript. But at that point of time, back in 1990s, okay, back in 1990s, everybody was using Java. In 1990s is the most important language, programming language was Java. At that point of time, back in 1990s, so what they did was, everybody knows Java, so let's rename our programming language to JavaScript. Everybody got confused. Everybody was like, oh, new language, okay, it must be related to Java, and they started using it. And right now Java is the fourth most used language, and the JavaScript is the number one language, just by a marketing tact. It is just by a marketing tactic itself guys. So these have a small thing or something that you might know, might not be knowing but its backstory of it extremely something that I love to tell you guys. Okay, so Java and JavaScript are not at all related to each other. It it was just a marketing tactic. So the next time when you are in an interview, an interview an interviewer asks you that what is the difference between Java and JavaScript, tell them this particular story, because very few people actually know this, and this basically shows that you have actually have done a lot of research into understanding this. Okay, so if this video is helpful for to you, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel all in one key. And one more thing, if you have any queries related to any topic, DM me on Instagram and follow us on Instagram as well. So bye bye, see you in the next video.